Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to remove link, change text color and fill color in Google Sheets. So the text color, it is the color of the font in your document. And we remove the link so that the users are not redirected to another link or from one location to another location which we do not want. And you can use the fill color option in Google Sheets to highlight the cells. So now this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So over here I have my Google Drive opened. So I'm going to open this expense Google Sheet that I prepared. Now if I want to change the color in this cell, in this name cell, so I need to click on this text color button that is over here. If I click over here and select the, let's say we select something this, and for this month cell we can change it to red, and for this amount cell we can change it to blue. So now as you can see that these colors are obviously different from the black over here. So the default color is selected black, but you can change it to any color you want. So this is how you can change the text color. So now for removing link, I'm going to copy the link of my drive and just simply copy it and then paste it in here. Now as you can see that it is like a link as it is showing, but I don't want my users or anyone else to get to my link. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click over here on the remove link option. Now they won't be redirected to the link. And now let's say we want to fill color inside this row. So what we can do is we can manually select them, and also we can select the entire row and then just click on this bucket icon, that is the fill color icon. Click over here and then select a color that we want to fill it with. Let's select this one. So this is how you can fill the color. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have learned how to remove link, change text color and fill color in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching.